Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change this image to this in Photoshop under 1 minute. Without making any further ado, this is Rahul for Ecoras. Let's begin. Firstly, we have to drag the image into the Photoshop. The next step we have to do is separate the background from the object. For that, we are using channels. In the channel section, we can see RGB, red, green and blue. Look on each one and check that which one have more darker areas on the object. In this picture, the blue channel have more darker areas for the object. So I am making one duplicate layer for this channel and selecting that channel and uncheck the blue channel. Then press Ctrl+L. This will open the level option. In this section, we can darken the darker areas and brighten the brighter areas like this. Now the object is more darker and the sky becomes more brightened. So we can easily separate the sky from the object. By holding Ctrl and clicking on the layer like this will select the brighter areas like this. Go to the layer section. I want to make a copy of the background. By right clicking on the layer and select duplicate layer, we can make a copy of the background. By clicking on the mask tool, you can see that the object was gone. The sky is the only one thing selected in this layer. But this is not the thing we want. So pressing Ctrl+I, we can reverse the selection like this. Now the object is completely selected and we are ready to give the background to this image. The next step we are going to do is dragging the sky image into the Photoshop. Arranging it by moving tool and enter. Now you can see the sky was ready. The next step I'm going to do is darken the object. By selecting the solid color and selecting this color as black and just right click on the layer and create a clipping mask will give black color to the object like this. Now making some more adjustments into the sky. That's it, we are done. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up. More videos are coming soon. Stay tuned.